Alright, y'all, February the 13th. It is now 6:20 in the evening. And it is, I consider this dark. But it is 6:20 in the evening. It ain't 5 o'clock no more. It ain't 4:45. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. 6:20 in the evening. Anyways, we've been feeding cows. It's too cold out there with the wind blowing. So I didn't video. Chris was doing the tractor and Emily was running around doing other stuff. So we're gonna go home so we can start the next day. Anyways, hit you later.
I got them all waiting for me now. They're still a little hesitant. Let me pour some grain. Sorry, can't pour the grain and hold the phone at the same time. Kind of dark out here. There's a couple little babies in here too. See if we can find them.
Howdy, y'all. February the 16th. Daggone wind out here is some kind of awful. Cows all here getting excited, chasing that feed trough around. And, well, it's just some kind of awful out here with the wind blowing, but it's like 60-something degrees. It's not bad. It's not cold out here. As long as you ain't standing out here in the wind. I'll get back to y'all when we ain't standing in the wind. Opens this gate, we're gonna put some hay out. Emily's gonna feed her cows. These goofy cows have been acting all crazy and stuff. So Emily has been giving them a little bit of grain every day to try to get them to calm down and not run every time they see us. So every time somebody pulls up here in front of this barn, they haul out the back like they're going to a fire, heading for the woods to get away from here. And she's like, how do we solve that? I'm like, well, basically you gotta start feeding them. You know, we come up here and put a hay bale in, they run away. But some of them will not come up here. So for the past while now, she's been feeding them to get their attention. And even still, some of them, like baby socks right there, refuse to come over and see what she's feeding them. So
this socks a little.
She gonna fire the light up, see what's what. We've had several new cows.
Is that socks right there?
Yeah, that's little Socks right there.
With the white face?
Baby Socks is our bull. He's got 4 white socks. Black socks. Little Hereford bull from our bull. Anyways, that's why we call him Socks. He's, I don't know. He might be ready to breed with next year. He's coming along.
He might be good to eat.
He might be good to eat?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so funny, Harvester. But anyways, crazy cows. It's been stupid windy today. It was pouring down raining this morning. Pouring down raining all day yesterday. And it's just been disgusting. And now they're talking about snow coming again. They're talking about snow coming. And we don't want no stinking snow. But anyways, today it was really nice out there today, but the wind was doing like 60 some miles an hour and blowing stuff across the field and everything else. So, you know, but yeah, these crazy cows, as soon as they see you, they would go running, and well, that's just not cool. You can't do nothing with cows that run away from you every time they see you. So she's been feeding them, and they've been hanging around. So we are about to hit 1,700 subscribers. I know that's like nothing compared to most people. I don't know, she found something. I don't know what it is. Found something in the barn. I don't know. She thinks she found a dead raccoon. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, so Dad's last ride video is rolling. It says like 66,000 or something. Like, it's still going. It's definitely way beyond our most gross video. Anyways, it's pretty awesome. But so we're getting a bunch of new subscribers here recently, and which is really awesome, and we appreciate it. And you know, keep it going. We need all the help we can get, because we're just doing this. We ain't getting no money out of it. You know, we're just telling the story of our life, even if it's not worth watching to y'all. So that's what we do.
Is that a snake?
We
It looked like a snake.
we got a toy show coming up here, February 22nd, I think it is. Toy show coming up at Weir's Cave. We didn't get a table or nothing, so we're just gonna.
Mom,
That's this weekend, I think.
I think that thing looks like a snake.
This kid. Anyways, catch y'all later. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Howdy, y'all. February the 19th. Guess what happened today? The sun came out. It's like 70 degrees. Not. Yep, it snowed again. Although I think this is all we're getting. At least I hope so. The other day they were all like, oh, we're going to get like 22 inches. We're going to get 22 inches of snow. And now all of a sudden they're like, oh, we're not getting any snow. Well then, we got snow. So hopefully this is all we got and all we're gonna get. And the sun will come out tomorrow. No, that's not gonna happen either. But Saturday it might get to 40 degrees. Saturday. I don't know what's gonna happen after that, but maybe Saturday it's gonna get to 40 degrees. I don't know. I'm ready for some better weather. I know everybody else around here is too. Anyways, we're gonna go to the barn, have a look around. I hear that they got hay, but we need to move some bales, take some more over there, stuff like that, since we have a little bit of day off. It's not a day off. We just got off early because of the snow. But anyways, we're going to go move some hay bales in the cold. And that way we don't have as much to do tomorrow in the cold. Catch you later. Once upon a time, we used to do this back in the day. I don't know if I'm wasting my time, but I got time to kill today. I got off work early, so I got 5 minutes extra time to kill. It's still daylight. It's almost 6 o'clock. At least I think it is. Or it's getting close to it anyways. But anyways, we loaded up some bales. We're gonna carry them over there closer so that we don't have to run back and forth as much. My wife got me this head mask, and I'm gonna tell you what, I like it. I'm very thankful she got that for me. February 22, y'all. We showed up here and they're closed on a Saturday. Like, closed on Saturday. It's literally the only day of the week I have to do stuff. And they're closed on Saturday. You know, what'd I do about that? Nothing. I drove an hour down here to come here, and they're closed. So I guess we're gonna go home. And I don't see nothing over there that we're gonna buy. So I guess we're going home.
Are they closed?
I see something blue sticking up over there though. Maybe we should drive over there. We're gonna drive over and see what that blue thing is sticking up.
Blue tractor.
Well, they got two blues over here.
Two blue puppets.
Yep, I got two of them over here.
That lawnmower is my size.
I don't know what size they are, but we'll pull up here and take a look. New Holland?
Yeah, it said new.
Why do you always put the sticker behind the loader where you can't read it? This one here is a 30, 35, 3600. 75 Workmaster. Loaded with weights. Got a big old bush hog on the back of it. Definitely dirty and used. Yeah, we never had one of those. We had the 4000 SU, which was built just like that one, except it was a lot heavier. When I was a kid, and we traded it. My brother-in-law was bush hogging with it, and the motor locked up on it, and so we ended up trading it in on the 55 Workmaster four-wheel drive. And after we traded it, they tore it apart to figure out why it was locked up, and basically it sucked all the oil up on top of the pistons and seized the motor up.
Hey, there's cars
So
here.
we could have probably fixed it, but by the time Dad had already traded it, so we just left it alone and went on with the process.
I
but-
really like that little lawnmower.
Anyways, yeah, but my uncle's got a 3000. Yeah, we don't even have a trailer behind us. We're just going over here to look around since we're here on Saturday.
I think they're open.
Since New Holland had to be closed, figured we'd stop and look at the animals before we went up the road.
There.
We drove all the way down here.
We drove
So-
all the way to the tractor place for no reason.
Drove all the way to the tractor place for no reason, he says. Got a couple pairs in here. Cute little white face. He wanted to come to the stockyard. I wanted to come too. We don't ever get to come down here. We ain't staying. What are you sitting down for? Got some parks. Hello, babies. Bunch of cows in here today. What y'all babies doing? Go with you? One in that pen. Maybe. Must be smaller than the other two. Good by a good bit.
There's a hole right there.
There's a hole right there. Don't see no goats or nothing today. No goats or sheep. I wonder if there's any hogs up there in the corner.
Black and black white faced deer. Put them in 12.
I don't want to go.
Get you a tag, leave it.
We're leaving the stockyard. We did not bring a trailer with us because we didn't intend to go to the stockyard today. So therefore we are leaving the stockyard. But we did get that lady's information that brought the white parts in. So maybe we can get some of those one day. We'd like to have some parts. And maybe a linebacker or two. You know. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know. I like color. I like black and white color. I like speckles. I like all that. You know, that's me. So we will we'll see what we do with that one day. So we haven't been doing any videoing of feeding cows in the last several days because it's been stupid cold and windy, and I mean extremely cold and windy the last several days. But today it's above 40 degrees, and the wind's not blowing, so not all that bad. Still not warm, but not all that bad. The other day was some kind of awful. That wind was cutting right straight through all your clothes. And there wasn't nothing you could do about it.
He had no clothes on.
Yeah, that's normal.
Why doesn't he have no clothes on?
Y'all make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. And we'll catch you on the next one.